Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last Monday, I took my kids down into the centre of town so that we could attend the rally in Trafalgar Square, marking the 3rd anniversary of Russia's full-scale invasion of Ukraine. As the rally started to peter out, we wandered off into Soho in search of food and drink. We walked past a Starbucks and one of my kids suggested popping in to grab a coffee. Now, I knew that just round the corner was a lovely little Italian cafe, and as I said, given the choice between a decent espresso and a bucket of the tepid brown stuff that Starbucks call coffee, I'd go for the espresso any day of the week. We often use this expression, any day of the week, when we want to express a strong preference for one thing over another thing. So if you say that you'd prefer or you'd go for or you'd choose A over B any day of the week, you mean that you'd always choose A. You'd always go for A. So, maybe you're talking about people that work for your company or people that play for a particular team. And you might say, oh, I'd rather have this guy than the other guy any day of the week. I'd rather have him than his weird brother any day of the week. Yeah, I'm not really a huge fan of opera and ballet and that kind of thing. Give me a decent movie any day of the week. Yeah, their new music's okay. I thought the last album they made was alright, but really, give me their old stuff, their early stuff, any day of the week. We also sometimes use it just to mean under any circumstances. So, maybe you challenge a friend to a game of tennis because you know that you can beat them any day of the week. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see how you might use any day of the week.